Brody.
Like, hey, go. Maybe it's just because he woke up and he's freaked out by the cameras. Yeah, yesterday he kept coming back for more. Let's just not talk. Aww, just spit on it.
It's horrible. There's his drool.
Oh, that was so cute. He's looking for the crumbs.
Oh. That was very adorable.
See what I mean? Like he goes like.